Right, this problem is considerably more difficult than what we've seen so far. If you look at the units, you'll be able to see why. Look, mass 2 kilograms, but the density is given as grams. See, there's a difference. That's kilograms and that's in grams. So the density is 5 grams per centimeter cubed. And to make matters worse, the volume, they want the answer, the units, in meter cubed. So here, it's in centimeter cubed, but they want it in meter cubed. All right, so there's a lot of prep work for this, right? We need to prepare the numbers so it'll work. Right. Here, this is in grams, so I think it's a good idea to change that into grams. You know 1 kilogram, you already know 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. So that'll be 2,000 grams. Right, I'm going to work with that rather than this. All I can do now is substitute the numbers into the formula, into our triangle. Mass is given as 2,000 grams. Density, 5 grams per centimeter cubed. So obviously we need to do 2,000 divided by this. So do that then. 2,000 divided by 5 should give you 400. So that's going to be 400, but wait, what are the units going to be? It's not going to be 400 meter cubed, right? What have I just worked out? 2,000 grams divided by 5 grams per centimeter cubed. 2,000 divided by 5 obviously gives you the 400, right? But the units are going to be centimeter cubed, right? That's because that's what we used, right? That is what we used. That's going to be 400 centimeter cubed. So now we need to convert this into meter cubed. Is what's required in the question. Now, if you remember, 1 meter cubed is equal to 1,000,000 little centimeter cubes. And I want to know what 400 centimeter cubed is worth. How many meter cubes? 400 centimeter cubed. Right, it's going to be quite a small number, isn't it? Because 1 on this side is worth 1,000,000. So only 400 on this side is going to be worth a lot smaller than that, isn't it? So what I can do is this. I'm going to divide the other way. 400 divided by 1,000,000. That's going to be 4 times, is what's showing on the calculator. 4 times 10 to the power of minus 4. That's a very tiny number. That is actually 0.0004 meter cubed. That is your answer. You're probably wondering how I got from this one to this one. I'll show you very quickly. See, there's a 4 there. Can you see that 4? Don't forget the decimal point. We're going to move the decimal point. We know it's a tiny number because of the negative there, because of the negative power. So the decimal point is going to move to the left, 4 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not there anymore, it's over here. And then fill in the empty spaces with zeros. There you go. Right, some of you might be wondering, which way do I divide? Well, let's say, okay, we're going to make a mistake. Let's make a mistake. So this is a mistake. Let's suppose we did 1,000,000 divided by 400. 1,000,000 divided by 400. We get 2,500. Now, clearly, this doesn't feel right. If you think about it, 1 meter cubed is quite a big box. All right. So imagine having 2,500 of those boxes. Right? Imagine you've got 2,500 of those boxes and you have to completely fill those 2,500 boxes with 400 of these little 1 centimeter cubes. These tiny little 1 centimeter cubes, right? Not very big. Imagine you've got 400 of those and you have to completely fill those 2,500 boxes. Not possible. So you know you've done something wrong by doing 1,000,000 divided by 400. So you should try it the other way around. Right, so we tried it the other way around. 400 divided by the 1,000,000. And we obviously get this one as an answer. Right. Then it is possible, does seem possible, to fill this much space, volume, with 400 of these tiny little cubes. So always check an exam to see if your answer makes sense or not, right? In comparison to the conversion. Right, let's try this a little bit quicker. Remember, the units are important, and really it looks as if the units are really jumbled up. You've got meter cube, centimeter cube, grams, kilograms. So there's a lot of prep work to do, a lot of preparation. I think I can sort that one out quicker. Right, we know for a fact 1 kilogram is the same as 1,000 grams. We know that for a fact. So we want to know what 200 grams is. So put 200 grams on this side, all the grams on this side. As you can see here, 1,000 became 200. Right, it gets smaller this way. So it needs to get smaller. Whatever number I put here, it needs to get smaller than a 1. So obviously I'm going to do 200 divided by 1,000. That gives me 0.2. So you can check now. From here to here, the number went smaller. So from here to here, the number has to get smaller. So if I'd done 1,000 divided by 200, I would have got a 5. That wouldn't make sense. Right then, that's going to be, I'm going to change that to 0.2 kilograms per centimeter cubed. Right, so far I've got kilograms matching, but still there's a problem here. That's meter cubed, centimeter cubed, meter cubed, centimeter cubed. I'm going to change that to centimeter cubed. We know that 1 meter cubed is the same as 1,000,000 centimeter cubed. So I want to know what 1.5 meter cubed is. Right, remember, from here to here, the number's gone bigger. So obviously from here to here, the numbers has to get bigger. The only way we can do that is by doing 1.5 times 1,000,000. 1.5 times 1,000,000 gives you 1.5 million. Just make sure you've got the right number of zeros. That'll be centimeter cubed. Right, it does make sense, right? From 1 meter cubed, it became 1.5 meter cubed, slightly bigger. So obviously that number has to get bigger. All right. So we're going to put this here. Right, let's just check we've got the right unit. Centimeter cubed, kilograms, kilograms. Okay, that's what's required. They want the answer in kilograms. So we now can safely put these numbers into our formula, into our triangle. We've got the volume. And we got the density. Okay, same units. Right, all we can do now is obviously times these two numbers together. We get a mass of 300,000 kilograms. Why is it in kilograms? Because we got kilograms there. Look, that's kilograms. That has to be kilograms. It's what was required. Right, that does look very heavy. 300,000 kilograms. Right, that's 300 tons. Now the culprit is this what I've chosen here. 1 little centimeter cube is worth 200 grams. It's like compressing a Snickers bar into a tiny little cube, and then you imagine you've got 1.5 million of those compressed Snickers bars, right? 1.5 million cubes. Obviously it'd weigh that much, wouldn't it? That would be the mass.